Today is July 13th, 2026, and I'm going to crack my fingers. And today is my day off from work today. Gonna crack them. Ooh, that felt good. Wow. You guys heard those noises, right? Like me going like... I can feel my fingers and knuckles now because I'm cracking them. I can feel them. Nope. Anyways, thanks for watching.